Hi guys, Kyle Zuma here, Michigan State University Forest Biomass Innovation Center in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan at the Dunbar Forest. Hi guys, Kyle Zuma here with Michigan State University. We're here at the Dunbar Forest over in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. We are in a red pine timber sale. This time here we're doing our final cut. We came in at several different spots, totaling about 77 acres. And we're cutting all the red pine out of these different areas. So we got, behind me you can see pole-sized timber, you can see pulp, you can see saw timber. And we got some footage of the guys harvesting some of the utility poles that we cut in here. And just before that, we had Mitch and Nick running basal area plots. So they're in here putting 10 basal area factor prism plots in and then seeing what kind of timber we have in here and volume and merchantable height and that kind of thing. So we came back, we harvested it. And now we're looking at regeneration plots. Nick and Mitch put those in as well. And we're gonna see if we need to replant them to red pine or just let them go natural or regeneration.